Time for another edition of You Shouldn't Be Allowed to Drive. We got an accident here on I95 northbound, right in the area of the Academy Road off-ramp. Oh, it's causing a mess. We got one vehicle here, we got a truck involved here, we got another vehicle here, we got emergency personnel here. I'm not sure what this is. They're going to need to zoom the camera on that. I hope it's not a flipped over vehicle. Maybe it is. I don't know. But the point is, the people involved in this accident should not be allowed to drive. And it gets better. Check out the delay that we have forming because of this. Oh, let's go back to Cottman Avenue, shall we? Yeah, here we go. 95 at Cottman Avenue. There you have your southbound delay. Check out northbound. And you even have a delay to exit off at Cottman Avenue. All because someone shouldn't be allowed to drive. But wait, it gets better. Check out this camera. Oh yes. 95 just north of Cottman Avenue. There's your southbound delay. That's normal. Check out northbound. It's an absolute parking lot. And look at the on-ramp. You can hardly even get on 95. All because they shouldn't be allowed to drive. If you like to see more knuckleheads and incidents like this, hit the like and subscribe button down below. We'll see you next time for another edition of You Shouldn't Be Allowed to Drive.